First of all, hi and good evening to all. My name is Ilman Haikal bin Muhammad. My student number 2024548111. I am from AT2402C. I am from Bachelor in Science, Technology and Plantation Management. Today I will present about morphology, anatomy, photosynthesis and phenology of oil palm. First, we will go with the introduction of oil palm, or the scientific name is Elias guineensis. Oil palm is origin from West Coast and Central Africa in 14. The economic lifespan of oil palm is 25 until 30 years old. It starts to give yields 3 years after planting. The immature stage is 1 until 3 years. After 3 years old, it will be categorized as a matured stage at 4 years old. And then morphology. At the morphology, we have 4 parts in oil palm. The first one is the leaf fronds. Young trees can produce 30 fronds every year. The matured trees that more than 10 years can produce about 20 fronds. The average for each frond can reach until 3 meters. For the trunk can grow up to 20 meters tall. For the fruits contains mesocarp and kernel. The fruits will produce 6 months after pollination. The color of fruits is reddish orange when ripe, and it can weigh up to 20 until 30 kilograms for each bunches. The last one is roots. In oil palm, it is fibrous root, main taproot and numerous lateral root system. Fibrous root will be widely spread out on the soil or on the ground. And then we go to the anatomy. The first anatomy is the fronds. In fronds, we have 3 parts. The first one is petiole, and then branches, and the third is pinna of the leaflet. And the second anatomy is stem. In stem or in the trunk, we have 4 layers. The first layer have epidermis, the second is cortex, the third is cylinder, and the fourth is ground tissue. If we close up on the ground tissue, we can see a vascular bundle. In vascular bundle, we can see sclerenchyma, xylem, and phloem. The third anatomy is the root system. As I said in morphology, the root is a fibrous root. In the main taproot, we have epidermis, cortex, endodermis, vascular cylinder, core of parenchyma cells, phloem, and xylem. All of this is very important in photosynthesis process. The fourth anatomy is inflorescence, and the last one is the fruit itself. In the fruits, we also have several parts. The first part is abscission layer, and then exocarp layer, mesocarp layer, shell, testa, and endosperm. For the shell, testa, and endosperm, we call it as endocarp. Next, we go to the photosynthesis process. In photosynthesis, I will talk about the 4 main process. The first process is light absorption. Light absorption happens in fronds that contain chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a pigment that is responsible for capturing light energy. The light-dependent reaction occurs in chloroplast that contains thylakoids. And then light-dependent reactions, it absorbs energy split water molecules H2O into oxygen, protons, and electrons. The oxygen, protons, and electrons generate a production of ATP and NADPH. The oxygen released as a byproduct in like-dependent reaction. The third process is Calvin cycle or like-independent reaction. ATP and NADPH used to convert the fixed carbon into G3P, 3-carbon sugar. G3P molecules used to generate RUBP or ribulose biphosphate. G3P can be used to form glucose and carbohydrates for plants' energy. And then this is the chemical equation for the photosynthesis process. And then we go to the phenology. In phenology, we have egg stage or growth stage. This growth stage also called as BBCH code. Egg growth stage 0 is germination and emergence. Growth stage 1, leaf development. Growth stage 3, stem elongation. Growth stage 5, emergence of male and female efflorescence. Growth stage 6, flowering. Growth stage 7, fruit development. Growth stage 8, ripening of the fruit and the bunch. And the last one, growth stage 9, senescence. Is all of the phenology. And then we can see at the next slide is the phenology phases of oil palm. The last one is the conclusion. In conclusion, the oil palm is a tropical palm species with significant economic importance due to the production of oil palm. Understanding various aspects of oil palm biology is essential for its cultivation management and optimizing of yield. A comprehensive understanding of oil palm morphology, anatomy, photosynthesis, and phenology is essential for sustainable cultivation practices, efficient management strategies, and maximizing the economic benefits of this important tropical crop. I think that's all about my presentation for the AGR499 subject. I hope you all can understand about my presentation. Thank you very much.